Hello everyone, welcome to part 59 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's amazing 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Principle 59 here. We are talking all about relationships, okay? He says that there are no failed relationships, that a relationship does not make you a failure just because, it doesn't work out. That people come into our lives for a short time and sometimes for a longer time, but they're all just here to teach us more about who we are on our divine mission, our heroic goal kind of thing. Now, this may seem a little bit off because a lot of people have a natural instinct that a relationship has to work out. Now, I would argue that from the perspective that there used to be a lot less people, and so people thought, we really have to make this relationship work because there's nobody else that could be out there in the world. But now we're in a world that has over 7 billion people, okay? There is somebody out there for everybody. And just because a relationship fails, doesn't work out, that doesn't mean that you have failed, okay? That you didn't do something right. A lot of relationships just don't work out because people aren't fully compatible, particularly when people are fearful, anxious, upset, all that kind of thing. That doesn't necessarily wreck a relationship, but the more people have that perfectionist tendency, the more they're demanding their partner be perfect, and then they're arguing about everything all the time. I've seen a lot of that in my life, just that particularly there's this social psychology idea that relationships are really moving in a direction where people expect perfection from their partner at all times, that my partner should always fulfill me in every way, and as soon as they don't, I should just get rid of them and try to find the next person who's perfect. And so with that kind of mentality, a lot more people are having relationship problems than ever before. And he's giving us this principle here in part 59 that it really doesn't matter, okay? It's really about you. Your life is about you, what you love to do, what you're gonna do, your heroic mission, okay? It is not about how this other person needs to fulfill you. Though we may become attached to other people just as a natural thing, because reproduction is important and whatnot, just because we become attached to those people, we feel like we need them in our lives, we actually don't. As people know, time heals all wounds in the case of relationships because people learn that they can move on. Their mind has other people to move to, And I think that that's a big part of this because relationships are tough mentally. When you lose them, it feels like the end of the world. It feels like, I'm so depressed. I got all this stuff wrong. Where did I go wrong? Why couldn't I make this work out? All that kind of stuff. But there will just be things that lose in life, okay? Like the casino, there will be times that the casino loses. The casino loses a lot of hands, okay? I mean, if they lose 47 times out of 50, though, they still win because they won 53 times and only lost 47 times. And that's really a big deal when it comes to this case, okay? That in the end, relationships will work out, but there will be points when various small relationships don't work out. Even things that have gone on for years and years can end up failing. And he's saying that's okay. Every relationship that fails, we can learn something useful from that, and we can move on, and we can do something more than just that. Anyway, that's about it for part 59. I hope you guys found this useful. I will see you guys next time with part 60, so I'll see you then.